guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this gorgeous copper glitter eye look using mostly Makeup Revolution products. So if you'd like to learn how we created this, then please keep watching. Taking my Huda Beauty Palette, I will be using the colours Amber and also Glazing mixed together. I have added masking tape because I wanted a bit more definition with this look today. So taking Amber and Blazing, I'm literally just going to work that in the outer corner of my eye and bringing it over the socket, just gently with back and forward motions. I will also be taking Amber and Blazing in the inner corner part of my eye as well, so I will be taking a smudger brush. It's just a smaller sort of blending brush, and just going to be tucking that in the corner, just that, and again connecting with that line just at the top, and again circular motions and also forward and back motions. I will also be sort of swapping between the smudger brush and my blending brush just to soften the line and make sure everything's blended nicely. So I've got a nice seamless line there. We want to be keeping this middle part just clear for now until we add the glitter. There we go. So I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution's glitter glue today, and you're going to want to put that just on that clear bit there and just gently pat it. I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution palette in Hot Pursuit, and I'm going to be taking this gorgeous copper colour called Passion. So just taking a bit of that colour Passion onto my finger, I'm just going to gently press on. I'm going to be taking a Makeup Revolution glitter paste in the colour Feels Like Fire, and it's a nice stunning copper colour. Just going to be adding that on the lid just for that extra glitz. I just want to gently press it on to the lid. So small tapping motions just to spread that out evenly. So I'm going to be taking the same Amber and Blazing and just going to be packing it again in that inner corner and inner and outer corner, just gently going over what we previously done just to intensify that slightly. I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera and my mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm going to be taking this Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC. I'm going to be taking a mixture between this colour and this gorgeous pinky colour. Okay, so taking a mixture of those colours, I'm literally just going to pop that just under the inner, just under the outer corner of my eye. And I just like to softly blend that line with a blending brush just to connect the two. Again, taking the colours Amber and Blazing, we're just going to be running that underneath the waterline just to smoke underneath out. So again, I'm going to be taking that glitter paste from Makeup Revolution, and I just want to put it just a tiny bit just under there. I might have to go into my lower mirror, so just one moment. Okay, so ignore the little fallout, so I'll clear that out once I conceal a bit later. So it's just, yeah, I think I'm quite happy with that waterline. So just, I like to put a little bit just in there, and I just like to soften it a little bit by blending it out. But yeah, I'm going to get rid of this. That's the only problem with glitter, you do get a bit of fallout, but that's why sometimes when you do glitter, it's probably easier to do your eye makeup before your foundation. Okay, so once once I've sort of smoked out the bottom lash line, I'm then going to just add some mascara, so I'll do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is the final look of this eye makeup, using mostly Makeup Revolution. Like I said, the glitter palette is really nice. You just have to be very careful with obviously fallout, which is a normal thing for glitter, but as long as you apply glitter glue and probably do your foundation after, I think it's quite a nice sort of look to have, especially if you're going to a party, something a bit extravagant. Definitely would use this again. So that's how I created this gorgeous copper eye look using mostly Makeup Revolution products today. So if you happen to like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I shall see you soon. Thanks guys.